About 8 months ago, GE introduced a brand new series of washers. In this video, you'll learn about their best-selling model, the GFW650, its best features and reliability based on 8 months of our internal service data. At the end, we'll briefly compare the GFW650 against similar products from LG, Samsung, Electrolux, and Whirlpool, as well as their best model, the GFW850. At the end, you'll understand if the GFW650 is right for you. Let's get started. The GFW650 has 12 cycles, include PowerSteam to power out stains. It also has the sanitize cycle to remove 99% of the allergens in a speed cycle as well. But let's talk about what makes this machine unique. Mold and mildew have always been an issue in front-load washers. It's a result of standing water pooling on the gasket and on the back of the machine. GE is the only company to actively address this problem. They coated their gasket, hoses, and dispensers with an antimicrobial Microban technology, so mold and mildew can't build up on the surfaces or inside the machine. This GE also employs a fan in the door to further dry any residual water in the gasket. They call this their OdorBlock system. The combination of Microban and OdorBlock will dramatically reduce mold, mildew, and odors in your washer. Many service issues in washers are due to oversudsing of the detergent. You only need a capful for a front-load washer, and most people fill it with a lot more. The detergent residue will affect the washer over time, but the Smart Dispense system calculates the right amount of detergent at the right time. You can pour up to 50 ounces of detergent in the washer to dispense automatically. GE has one of the largest dispensers at 50 ounces, with only Whirlpool having slightly more. The Maytag dispenser had issues with mold last year. GE's dispenser, however, is located by the gasket at the bottom of the machine and is coated with Microban to prevent mold and mildew. You can also turn the machine on or off remotely and have the machine alert you when the cycle is complete through Google Assistant, Amazon's Alexa, and other smart assistants. You can reverse the washer door so it's easier to transfer clothes from your washer to your dryer. Only GE and Electrolux have this feature for full-size laundry. As you can see, GE has combined the best features of all the different manufacturers and added mold prevention. Usually, new products have issues. However, for 2020, GE is the lowest service rate at 4.23% service in the first year, over 10% better compared to the industry average of 15.99%. The GE GFW650 has better capacity than most brands at 4.8 cubic feet. Depending on the model, the average front load is 4.3 to 4.5 cubic feet. However, the overall width of the machine is 1 inch larger, and the depth can be 1 to 1 3/4 inches deeper than competitive brands like LG at 30 1/4 inches and Samsung at just over 31 inches. So GE's size could be a problem in tighter installations or stacking in smaller closets. GE was smart. They looked at the best features of the existing brands and incorporated them into this washer. It has the speed cycles of all the brands, as well as their Wi-Fi capability. The Power Wash cycle of the Maytag is the only cycle lacking in this machine. Power Wash can wash whites and colors in the same load by starting in cold water and slowly warming. The GFW850 is GE's best washer. It has the overnight cycle where you can wash and dry an outfit overnight without transferring the clothes to the dryer. The capacity is 0.2 of a cubic foot larger, but is deeper by 2 inches. The dryer has a stainless drum, not porcelain of the 65 series. The difference in price between the two sets is $200 to $250 on average. First, LG, Samsung, and Whirlpool should also be considered. They're all reliable and have good features. However, the GE GFW650 is a good consideration with good cycles and features. They combined all the best cycles of the competitors and added the anti-mold feature.